Hey friends, if you encounter the error MRT.exe is causing high CPU or high disk usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, what does MRT means? Yeah, I can note it down. It is malicious removal tool. Okay, that's what it is. So when does this tool run? This tool runs in two situations. First is that it is being triggered by a third-party antivirus, which takes over Windows Defender when it is in use. And the second situation is when Windows Defender is running over a virus and it is unable to fix that. So I'll tell you how to resolve this. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and set all of this by date installed. Then try to delete any third party antivirus on your system. And I'll tell you why we do that. Because third party antiviruses are not even needed these days. Okay, they are just a sort of a bloatware to the system and they cause other problems. Windows Defender is more than sufficient. And after that you can search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to the virus and threat protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options, select full scan and click on scan now, and let it run till completion. Let it pick up each and every file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.